Welcome to lesson number 1, letter S, word, the. Hello there. First, let's practice some rhyming. Let's listen for words that end with the same sounds. That means that they rhyme. Listen to these words, cat and bat. Do they rhyme? Yes, cat and bat do rhyme. Good job. Okay, next words. Listen to these words, cat and dog. Do they rhyme? No, cat and dog do not rhyme. You are right. Nice work. Last set of words, dog and fog. Do they rhyme? Yes, dog and fog do rhyme. Way to go. Now, it's time to practice our letters and sounds. This is our new letter for today. This is the letter S. These are the uppercase and lowercase s letters. The letter S makes this sound. S. Listen for the S sound in the word sun. Sun. Do you hear the sound of S in the beginning or at the end of the word? Yes, you hear the sound of S in the beginning of the word. Good work. Let's say the letter and sound again. S. And this is the sound that it makes. S. Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. S. Good work. Now let's listen to the sound again and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger. S. Great job. Now, let's learn a new heart word. Remember, a heart word is a word that we need to remember by heart because it doesn't follow our sound rules. Here is our word for today.
The. The.
Let's use the word in a sentence. The boy is walking the dog. Let's listen to the sounds that we hear in the word. The.
Z.
How many sounds do you hear? 2 sounds. You are right. Great job. In the beginning of the word, you hear this sound first with the letters T and H together.
Z.
In a later lesson, we will learn that the letters T and H together do make that sound. That part of the word does follow the sound rules. At the end of the word, you hear this sound with the letter E. The letter E does not usually make this sound, but the letter U does. So, the letter E is breaking the sound rules. We have to remember that part of the word by heart. The sound that the E makes is why the word, the, is a heart word. Let's read our word again.
The.
Great job today. Let's review today's letter, sound and word one more time. S. And this is the sound that it makes.
S.
Here is our word for today.
The.
Great work today. We hope to see you soon for our next lesson.